In this Fresh Farm video, we're looking at Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a leafy green vegetable with big, broad leaves. It's usually found at the market as individual leaves bunched together and is available in spring and early summer and then again in the fall. Swiss chard can have different color stems, such as red, yellow, orange, white, even striped. And these stems are edible. It's best to use Swiss chard right away to get the most flavor and nutritional value. But if you have to store it, first, wrap the bottom of the bunch, the stems only, with a moist paper towel. Then place it in a plastic bag, but leave the bag open. And place the bag in the crisper drawer of your fridge. It'll stay for about a week. You'll know it's going bad if it starts to turn color or begins to wilt. When you're ready to use the Swiss chard, place it in a large bowl of clean water and give it a good rinse. One popular way to prepare Swiss chard is to sauté it. Start by separating the leaves from the stems, then chop the stems into smaller pieces and sauté them in a pan, maybe with some garlic or onion or red pepper flakes, whatever you like. While the stems are cooking, go back and rough chop the leaves into smaller pieces. Once the stems in the pan are somewhat tender, which usually only takes a couple of minutes, add the chopped leaves. Then place a lid on the pan and let it all cook for just a minute or two until the leaves look wilted. This is a delicious side dish to any meal, or it can be added to a soup, or enjoyed with pasta, or even in a frittata. There are many ways to enjoy Swiss chard, so feel free to explore the Fresh Farm recipe page and have fun cooking.